will fall out you.
Hey. Hey, let me tell you a little story about parlay. Hey, yeah. Let me tell you a little story about parlay. It was June 27, 2017. Called off the porch and he was barely fucking 17. Sneaking out the house, his mama know that he been selling weed. Sick and tired of starving there at night, he making ends.
Now, I know you wonder, why am I starting my intro off sitting in a chair in the house in the room? Well, listen, I forgot to do an intro when I was out on the road, and I refused to get back in the car and make another intro, but I wanted to at least do my little saying in the beginning of the video. So that's why this video is like it is. And yeah, I'm sitting here editing and I'm like, man, I need to make another intro. I'm freaking out trying to go through my old videos and find an intro that I didn't use yet and just throw it in there. But I'm like, you know what, we're just gonna start a whole new intro right now. I mean, hey, but let's get into the video. Open it up. Open the back door. You can look. Yeah, brother.
Oh, you got it. Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's hard right there.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, all that, brother.
Oh yeah, that's hard.
Yeah, brother.
That's hard.
You know what I'm saying? Shout yourself out. Chevyboy TV that caught me coming out the driveway.
Go check me out on YouTube, man. Chevyboy TV. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. What's your saying, bro? Tell a friend, bring a friend, leave a friend.
Yeah, brother. Yeah. There go his car right here. He in the SS today. Let me see. Yeah, Chevyboy TV. He in the SS today.
I love that.
And he rumbling and rumbling. Thanks, brother.
That go hard.
Yeah, man, I needed to run to the grocery store. I said I'm gonna just do my vlog on my way to the grocery store.
Oh, you going to the store in style?
Nah, man, you know I be trying to, get a, show the scat sometimes when I be on my YouTube.
Bro, that's hard. It got a honeycomb design up in there too.
Yep, honeycomb design.
Yeah, that's hard right there.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, this is complimentaries of the wrap that's coming, y'all. That's why I got it this color. I know y'all probably like why I ain't get it blue, why I got it green, but yeah, green and black. Yeah.
That's hard body right
that's
there.
coming.
That's hard body. See, we don't get them type of luxuries, man. We gotta make some.
Nah,
man. We don't get them type of luxuries.
You gonna open that door? We gonna say that.
We go over the door.
We gonna say that then.
We
We gonna say that then because this video going up today, and he ain't exposed what he got going on yet.
Yeah.
So we not gonna drop that in this video, but just know.
Well, if you do, we gotta wait till dark time.
Nah, I ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna wait till you completely do it, and then I'm gonna do mine. That's your footage.
Alright. That's cool.
Where you was going?
Huh?
Where you was going?
I was just out wasting gas.
Just out wasting gas. Well, let's go waste some gas then. Give me your car, brother. Let's go waste some gas. Yes, sir, brother. We in them things today. Gonna enjoy this little bit of dry ground. Chevyboy TV behind me. I don't know if y'all can see him up there behind me. He acting big dummy. I can smell the brake, the tire rubber in here. Yes, sir. Let's get activated, man. See, man, I wish I could have this a little higher so y'all can see him behind me, man. He back there going crazy, man. He kicking up smoke all over the place, man. Wonder if y'all can hear that scat holler. Let me let back the roof. We gonna act dummy then. Let's go and act dummy then. Let me let back the roof so y'all can kind of catch a little bit of this. And oh man, it's a red light. Hold on, he got his phone out. Check him out. He got his phone out. Yeah, he crazy. Yeah, gay. He got his phone out the window. Catch some footage. Y'all peep the face? Peep the face? No. Y'all ain't even hip to the face. You took off on me. Look at the face. The serious face kicked in. It was at this moment he knew he fucked up. tunnel action, man. It's stuck at this thing on red light. Right there. I thought guess it was pretty clear. The police coming straight towards me. My bad if I ain't really communicating with y'all too good on the road. Trying to, you know, see, because we in the streets, we in the city, so I'm trying to look around. Turn y'all on in a second. You feel me? Yes, sir. Go ahead, hit the gas. Come hit the gas. What you say, Nate? Noise. What I did, bro? It's like 2.5-inch pipes burned off. Oh, yeah. Shut yourself out. Huh? Shut yourself out. Shit, I ain't even got nothing to shout out. You got no Instagram? No. But shout out to Snapchat. Shit. Dadas Vasquez, DADAS-VASQUEZ1. Y'all go follow my boy, man. Hold up, let me get Instagram. Yeah, the Chevy Boy TV. Yeah. Yeah. It's starting to rain out here. Hey. Let's save a lot. Brady said? Nuh-uh. Here I come. Look at these guys over here. Hey, Daddy! Here with this LS talk. Look at these guys over here talking this LS talk, man. What them is? LS foes? Yeah. Big. It's LS foes. Big LS foes, goddammit. Big LS foes. Yeah. Okay. What you do to your car? Nothing. I ain't got nothing done yet, man. Got nothing done yet? It's gonna be done soon. Y'all over here discussing then. You over here discussing like you had a whole lot done. I'm gonna get some engine work done. Yeah? You gonna be able to take on? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get them better than me, honestly. You gonna get them better than you? Yeah. Don't do that. Don't get them better than you and then you go buy some and then be better than him. Well, you know, I balls to the wall with everything. So, but he ain't trying to, this is his first ride. He gonna get something else, though. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So it's a good start, though. It's a good platform for him. Damn good start. Yeah, do you know LS is a little cheaper to work on than any other brand, so that's budget-wise, budget-friendly, you know? You can actually build budgets with these type of cars versus that stuff, man. That's everything expensive on that MOPAR, and nobody really work on them. Oh, you better spray his car off. Oh. Yeah. No, you good. You good. Yeah. What's your car sound like? It sound like his? Let me hear. A little bit better. Is it a little bit better? Okay. Is it on? I thought it was on. You sound cam. You sound like you got a cam. Got a little oil smoke coming out of there. Give me some. Don't hate stuff. You got a little oil coming out of there. Little oil smoke. You good though? Hello. Yes, sir. You got the aggressive rotors on there. I need those. Good breathing holes.
All they really got is it's really straight pipe right now.
Is it?
Straight pipe.
That's it.
You got a new back bumper on there?
Yeah.
I can tell it was a new bumper. Is that the one off of like the GSP? Because I know they make it with a bigger body. A bigger body. That's one of them ones.
I actually wanted to. It's a bumper that they make. It's a diffuser, but it don't got the dual. It don't got the dual. The export on it. It just got the.
You know what you do? Modify this one or the next one that don't got that and put them coming out the middle. Just run your pipe so they come out the middle, so you have a little different look from the back. That'd be dope. That'd be dope. Go shout yourself out too. Rafa got to tell you to shout yourself out.
Man. Y'all already know it's. I got a channel, Redline Mike. Y'all can go like, comment, subscribe on that. I'm going to fall 2021.
Yes, sir.
Y'all can add me on Instagram, RK_Mike_Shep. Make sure y'all go leave a follow. And we going up all 2020. Get with it or get going.
Yes, sir. Get with it to get going. I like that saying. I have to put that on the sketch somewhere.
Pissed me off.
What happened?
She talking about where you at? I said at the car wash with the fella. I said, where you at? She talking about at the car wash with the fella. I got bitch off. You better stop playing with me, man.
At the car wash with the fellas. Every time I see this car, y'all, I'm gonna always put this on there because we always gotta shout our people out, man. Like, I want my subscribers to become his subscribers to become mine, because we're one big family, man. That's why I always, every time I see his car, I gotta promote, I gotta show his brand, man, his label, man. He got it on there for a reason, man, for everybody to see it. So I'ma just help let everybody see it. I like this right here. Ugh, snap, a bunch of mud down there. I like that light up emblem. I need to go and get one for mine. But, you know, we're gonna get that together, man. We're gonna get that together. But yeah, gang, I'm gonna turn the camera on. We get some action or something going on, you feel me? Truck, but it was last minute when I seen it.
Like, yeah, how the fuck they gonna call that ass like a bus? Somebody called that. Ain't nobody called that shit. Right. Ain't nobody called. We just left this shit. It ain't been a bus.
Stop saying that thing. Oh, man, I ain't racing nothing about it.
You talking about there ain't no regular Impala, man. It's an SS.
Yeah, I can race it on Impala, man.
So, what happened after we got pulled over? So what just happened was, because the last video I had, it was kind of pointless because you couldn't hear what was going on. So I went ahead and just made this little segment instead. And yeah, man. So basically what happened was, we left the car wash going down the street, man. Busy main street. We turned off on the side street, man. Not even 5 minutes later, man, we got whipped over. Police say they were sitting on the side of the road. In air quotes, they say they got a call that we were racing. But if you know where our city and you know how Bay Road is, man, that's what we on Bay Road. If you know how that street is, then you will know we weren't racing in any way, shape, fashion, or form. There's no way you can race down that street, and that is like one of the hottest streets in our city to ever race down. I'm talking about you're gonna run into a sheriff, you're gonna run into a township police, you're gonna mess around, run into an undercover. That's the worst street to go down and try anything like that. And then on top of that, man, it's always full of traffic, and there's only 2 lanes. So it's like, come on, man, for real. So they said they got a call that we were impeding traffic or whatever. So we going down the street. They both on the side of the road. We come past them. They pull us over. Simple as that. That's all that happened. They was real cool, though. They said that they read the radar and clocked one of us going above the speed limit at a disclosed amount. Don't know which one of us they say they caught going at disclosed amount. But that's what they say. You know what I'm saying? That's what they say. You know, I'm not gonna argue what they say. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a judge. We're not gonna sit on the side of the road and try to have court. So, you know, I'm gonna take what they give. You feel me? But they got Chevy Boy TV first. See, this what it was. We came past, he downshifted. And then I downshifted. And then the police pulled straight out. They pulled straight out behind us. And it's funny, bro, because they went after him. They went straight after Chevy Boy TV. So I'm thinking I'm in the good. So I'm pulling out my phone to call him and like, yo, I turned off. He kept straight. They hit their lights and I turned off and Chevy Boy kept straight. So I'm picking up my phone like, yo, I'm trying to call him like, yo, the police is coming. They hit their lights. They coming because he didn't see him. I could tell he didn't see him because he kept going. And besides that, he was in the left lane and I was in the right lane. We were side by side. So I'm trying to call and tell him. And I'm sitting at the stop sign trying to call him. Goddamn police pull up behind me and hit their lights. The goddamn police pull up and they hit their lights on me. And it was like, pull over. I'm like, I ain't even did nothing. So I pull over and everything, and he was like, yeah, man, we clocked one of y'all going above the speed limit. We don't know exactly which one of y'all it was, but I'm like, but what? And it turned into me getting the ticket. You know what I'm saying? We're going to do it like that. I got a ticket, bro. They gave me the ticket. But he was real cool officer and everything, man. He, you know, he wasn't giving me no hassle or nothing like that. I didn't give him a hassle. But yeah, man, I don't know what they meant by that, by giving me a ticket. Cause Shay Boy didn't get no ticket. I got a ticket. He didn't get nothing. They let him go scot-free. So I don't know why they chose my car, Chevy Boy, to give a ticket to versus yours if we both doing the same thing as people say, as they were saying that we was racing. And I'm the only one got the ticket. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if they, you know, and they know that monster. You know what I'm saying? Not knocking the Chevy thing, but maybe it was the monster. Maybe they seen that monster. Like, there's no way possible that car is walking this scat pack. So they're like, we're going to get a ticket to the scat pack. Winner gets the ticket. That's what I think. That's what I think. We're going to say that. Winner gets the ticket. That's what we're going to say. But yeah, gang, that's what happened right there, man. They was cool, man. They let everybody go. You know what I'm saying? No hassle besides the ticket, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, it was cool. And and yeah, man, let's get back to the video, man. We ended up going to the car wash after that, and from there, people seen us up there and pulled up and started showing out, whatever. But let's get back to the video.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
Nah, boy, get out there and show him what he doing, John. You say what?
Let me do it. I'll show you how to do that, motherfucker. I try to be like it's mine. Water, he can spread it. Come on, bro, go on, get out there.
Nice.
Just don't hit me. Whatever you do. Like the police.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Where's that boy at? Tell him to stop. It's a state boy over there. Tell him to stop. It's a state boy over there. Everybody yelling it out. Tell him to stop. It's a state boy over there.
A few moments later.
next day.
Chevy Boy TV, what you got? What you got going on? Yeah, I knew you was recording already. That's why I just put mine out. I knew you was recording. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay.
You like it?
Okay, yeah.
I don't know, bro. I ain't sold on it.
You know the problem is why you ain't sold on it? Because it don't go all the way back.
Huh?
Because it don't go all the way back.
Yeah, I think that's my.
I know exactly what it is. It look incomplete. It look like it don't go all the way back. It look good, but I know me and I know you and I know if it stopped right here and came up this flared up over this, that right there that'd have been straight. If it would have been like that.
I don't know, bro. Like it look good in the front right there. Boom.
Definitely look good.
I'm like, I don't know.
That's what kicking you.
Yeah.
That's what's kicking you. I know it is.
So I'm like, dang, I don't know if I want to.
That probably was that white scat. It was a white scat around the corner.
That's always right there, though.
It was a nasty gray, destroyer gray wide body, bro.
Smoke show.
Scat?
Smoke show.
Yeah, smoke show.
It's in my video that dropped in about 10 minutes.
Oh, real?
I got a video drop like 10 minutes. It's in there.
I seen it. I'm like, bro, that's nasty.
It's somebody got a white one.
You ain't?
I hear it.
That not good.
Somebody got a white wide body charge around here too.
That's Ryan, if I'm mistaken. We just floated by.
Who
You
is
got a
it?
white one out?
No, he got the gray one. Remember the gray?
Oh, the
gray
RT
Cali?
with
the little RT with the grill on the side of it.
I might think about him. He got Archie. 5 seconds. Somebody think about him. I like it though. It do look good. You gonna go around the side too? You gonna take it around the side too?
I've been thinking about it, but I want to get some BC coilover because I got to redo my front suspension and stuff.
You still gonna put the side skirt on though?
Yeah. So I don't know, bro. It's up a little hot to me, man. So I'm gonna have to bring that down.
You did the roof.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, the stars? Yeah, I did the stars, man.
You gonna be able to see the stars in the daytime.
Huh?
I'm telling Soto, you gonna be able to see it. What's this right here?
Hot water extractor and shit.
What that for? The carpet?
Yup, shampoo and shit. I just got the air pressure and stuff to work, man. So I'm just over here trying to clean the garage out a little bit. So we put that sauce down on him this year. I
Yeah.
gotta do something till we get a building, bro. Man, you know.
Let me wipe my.
We gonna handle that.
We're gonna do that.
Yeah, we definitely gonna do that.
We gonna definitely do that.
Start somewhere, bro. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna get that taken care of ASAP, honestly.
2 different wheels.
How you doing?
She ain't paying no attention. She ain't paying no attention. Said she ain't paying no attention.
So what y'all doing, man? I heard you disturbing the peace.
I just picked him up. You can have it. You can have it.
Man, we just got out. He just picked me up.
Yeah,
man.
I had just picked Soto up.
Oh, you did?
I just picked him up.
Man, Soto popped out today.
You seen him though? You seen him though?
Chilling, man. Soto popped out today. Soto
Chilling,
out
man.
low.
I just been low stacking, man.
Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to
Y'all
be.
boys gonna see me in the summer for sure.
Oh, I already know how you coming, man. You ain't gotta tell me nothing. You ain't gotta
Yeah,
tell me
nice.
nothing. We ain't gonna
Don't tell
we gonna
nobody.
have to keep, man. Yeah, man.
I like it though. I do like it.
You do.
I like the way it look. Like that, even like with that thing on the side, bro, you can't notice that unless you up on it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But just seeing it, that's hard. That's real hard.
We gonna say he can fly. You
Car
feeling
can
like
fly.
it sometimes. You gotta catch another day. She wanna run right. She feel like she
Put you some decals on it, man.
Huh?
Put you some decals on it.
I was hollering at him with the he said he rap too.
I heard he rap. Push the stimulus.
38,000
Said 38,000 for let's push the stimulus for the scat. Man.
Yeah, I was.
She need a little more than that, y'all. She need a little more than that.
You gotta throw a couple more.
38,000 for the stimulus. You gonna have to come about 10 more stimuluses. What a stimulus? 1,600. She need about 10 more of them.
Oh, 16?
I think they 1,600.
I think if I'm mistaken, he passed it.
Huh?
He passed it for 16.
16, whatever it is. She need about 10 more of those.
You want action? I think he's trying to find you.
Well, I'm right here.
Look.
Pull it up right here. He gonna come back around the block.
Yeah.
He look down here. He gonna come back around the block. He probably gonna pull his body driveway.
Well, I mean, if you pull on the side of that gorilla, I'm gonna snatch the gorilla clean off the side of that.
Hold on, bro. Remember, he whooped his scat ass.
Okay, that's what he
Oh,
said.
well, that's what he said.
You pull on the side of that gorilla right there. I'm gonna snatch the gorilla.
That was a Jimmy.
Oh, that was Jimmy.
That was Jimmy. I'm gonna pull the gorilla logo right up off the side of that mug.
He around there making all
No
that
more.
So whoever was driving the scat, he would. They know the driver for real. They didn't know what they was doing.
You know they needed a driver mod, man. That's all they needed was a driver mod.
50 more horsepower. Put a different driver behind the wheel. That's 50 more horsepower.
Driver mod. Oh, he ain't come back with surprise.
Yeah.
No, I ain't him.
What you got going on, Nate?
Nothing, man. Just, you know, just trying to.
Don't move like no scat. That's what I'm saying. He talking about he whipped the scat and don't move like no scat.
Oh, no, that's an insider, bro. We know he ain't whooping no scat,
Yo,
man.
bro, I don't want to.
Yeah,
all that.
yeah.
Never
So,
because
we know he ain't whooping no scat. He ain't got that all-wheel drive to save him. He ain't coming close.
Shorty, woo woo. Oh, yeah, I beat this guy. I can beat your boyfriend car.
Man, go.
Oh, here, I'm trying to cut up. Come over here and do that, man. Come over here and do that.
I'm pulling
He ain't got
right
no
here.
hands. He ain't got no hands for these little ass streets.
Hey, I'm not driving that car, man. It's just
That one wheel pillar, man.
Oh,
Go
it
sit
is, ain't
that,
it?
that one wheel pillar down, man.
Ain't it?
One wheel pillar.
I got a posse on the front wheel drive.
both of the tires sliding on that. It's cold,
man.
Nate.
Huh?
I said it's cold. We finna get in the car.
Yeah, I had the heater over there fired up, man. That Tim? No, that ain't Tim. Tim won't be that dirty.
Yeah, well.
Oh,
Yeah, I say you got that booyah on you. You got that booyah on you.
You've been being weird all day. I had doggy bone down the street pull up. I'm in the car trying to bag out. I'm like, you move this big granddaddy truck out the way.
Put the truck in the back of the driveway.
Yeah, I'm trying to bag out. You gonna start detailing. You see a sign that say open for business?
You said we start actually detailing in the middle of winter still?
Man, bro, I'm like, what are you doing?
Tell everybody,
early,
man, the
not late.
detail is not over with, man. For everybody who keeps saying it's over with, it's not over with. It's on its way.
On his way.
We just had to get this weather situation to get back right, so we can
That's
go
all.
on and move to bigger and better things. You know,
Definitely.
we got a big vision for it.
Definitely,
So
definitely got a big vision.
stay tuned for that. But
Definitely got a big fish.
yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera on when we get to our next destination. It's cold. Okay, 1K gang. I had to make this outro real quick because I didn't have an outro for my video. But that concludes this video, man. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Thank you all for tuning in and watching, man. Tell a friend, bring a friend, leave a friend. It's your boy Bart Lawson, 1K. I'm out.
I walk around with that bag on me. Jump in my hood with a half on me. I walk around with that strap on me. I walk around with that bag on me. Every time you see me, niggas, 2,500 on me, nigga. Cause I walk around with that bag on me.